Guys, what is going on? Welcome back to Schofield Welding. Super excited to have you back here with us now. So we are going to be getting the lights cut in on this bed. Then we're going to finish skirting the back of it and get the rest of the deck on. I'm probably going to mount some flush pick and ice basically. And then I think if I can get to that point, I'd like to pull it off and then start welding this whole thing out. I'm going to pull it all the way off because I want to weld it really good. And then on top of that, do some detail work with the grinder. And I don't want to be blasting my truck the whole time. But anyways, it is turning out. It is looking good. Now to get the lights cut in. That's the next step. Okay guys, like I said, waiting on the camera to charge. But this is basically what we got right here. You can put these lights however you want, horizontal, vertical. I decided to do vertical, and at first I wasn't really sure I wanted it that way, so I cut them in anyways and mounted them. I think they look pretty freaking good. But guys, basically what it is it's this angle, and then basically I took a measurement from here to where it was gonna go in. What's wrong, bud? What's wrong?
Ow.
Let me see.
You shot out.
Where?
You shot. You shot me.
Yeah?
You shot my eye.
It got you? Dang it. Okay, go play. So anyways, guys, basically what I did is I just figured out how wide I wanted this. I mean, you guys can do whatever you want. This is kind of, lights are super custom. You can do whatever you want with them. But the way I did it, because paper's cheap, traced everything out, made sure that all my lights fit in each one of these. I actually put each light in here, and then once I figured out what I wanted, then this was my template. And I just laid it over, traced out my holes, and then I skinny wheeled all the straights that I could, and then just had to cut little radiuses with the torch. That way it didn't totally warp out your piece. But this is the lights right there. They're gonna be flat with the world, so that anybody behind you, they're flat. They're not hanging out this way, you know. So I need to build this piece right here for this other side. Once that's built, then I'm gonna weld that in, weld those in, and then we're working on the tailboard, which is gonna be sweet because I got pretty good plans. We're gonna run 3 marker lights right here, and then we're gonna. It's actually gonna be short, which you're gonna notice. It's gonna be short on this truck, and this hitch is gonna. We're gonna have to cut around the hitch a little bit. But what the plan is we're actually gonna build a bumper that's gonna go on this, which I think is gonna look really good if we can do it right. So I got a few ideas on what I want to do with it, and we'll see what we can do. So stick around. think of that?
Too perfect.
that piece. Slides in just like that. Done. Flip it over. Alright guys, probably one of the biggest things about building a bed or whatever is it's awesome to get another person's perspective as you build it. Basically I had this thing tacked up, like super stoked about it because the bull horns fit right around the hitch. It all looked great. I was pretty excited about it, and we were going to start building the bumper that was going to go on this, and Jed says, how are you going to get it off? Like, what are you talking about? He says, you got to pick it up and then slide it back 6 inches and then pick it up to get it off. I did not even think about it. So, we're now going to cut straight, and so that you can pick this thing straight up, and then when we build the bumper that goes on this, it will be hollow under here. That way you can pick it straight up. So, always good to have another person to tell you stuff. So there's that, that's fixed. Now, I've actually got to trim up this a little bit just to get it to where we can get it up and over this so that it sits a little bit better. It's got kind of a bow in it right now. Doesn't look good.